Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you one of the handbag companies that I recently had a chance to work with, the company called Sinbono. And here they are sending me one of their pieces from the new upcoming fall and winter collections, and I am super happy to be able to do the unboxing and the review today. So I have done some review on other products on my channel before, but this is actually the first time I was invited on a collaboration with a handbag company, and oh my god, when I check out the design, I am falling in love. And especially I am falling in love with this one handbag that I pick out this time. It's this one. So this handbag right here is called Amelia, and I pick it's in the color sage green. Oh my god, it's just so cute. So when I saw the picture, I clicked on it immediately, and when I checked out every single photo they have, I was like, okay, this must be the bag. There is no other bag than this one that I would pick from my first handbag from this brand. And earlier when I did the unboxing, to be honest, I am surprised by how beautiful this bag looked. So this bag is in vegan leathers, and it is cropped and embossed. And over here they have the two ring for the strap, and it is a magnetic closure. So I like it. I like it. Easy access, easy to get in and out, and pretty secure at the same time. So the inside of the bag, so as I can see, it's just a big compartment, and also it have one back pocket right there, and this is the strap that's come with the bag. So the strap is in a softer materials, and it's also cropped and embossed in the same color, gold hardware. I just love that they have this ring for the strap to hook it on. This would be so easy whenever I want to change to a different strap. I could totally do that, and I just like it when they make things easy for me. I just love that. So I think they pay a lot of detail to what they are doing. As far as the stitches, they are pretty. So the stitches are so on beautiful. Nothing out of place. No glue residue. So on the strap, I mean the ring is also have the brand name on it. Wow, I just think it's beautiful. So I have been browsing the website, and there are several different handbags that I totally falling in love with. And there is also one collection, it's called Emma. So Emma is my younger daughter names, and I would love to have an Emma handbag in my collection for the next handbag. So for this Amelia collections, they came out with 11 different colors, and this one is one of the colors from the fall and winter collections, and there are also several different colors that I totally fall in love. I have been eyeing the purple one, and I would totally get that for the next spring. Oh my god, it's gonna be beautiful for spring. To be honest, I really like this handbag. I think they are super cute, really trendy, but at the same time it's really classy, and I could see myself carry this bag every day for work, for going out to a party, or even if I want to go to grocery shopping. I think this bag could do the trick because it's super spacious inside. It fit a lot of my essential needs, and at the same time it has such a fun and trendy design to it, but then the color and the shape make it look so classy. So I truly like it. I really like it, to be honest, and I am looking forward to do more collaboration with this brand in the future if I have another chance. I also have the link in the description box down below, so you guys can totally check it out. And that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you guys back on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.